Find happiness and you will find success. So 3 tips for being success. That first one is being kindness and openness. Be kind and then be open, fully open. For example, if you don't like that topic, just straight away say don't like it, but in a kind way. Second is passion. You got to have passion before being success, of course. Passion is very important. For example, you're going to be an artist, fashion designing, etc. So you got to have passion. And last one is step out of your comfort zone. For example, you are going by train at 9 o'clock and reaching your office at 12. No, not 12, not 10. Let's say 10. So then from the next day, you go by car or you go by train. Next, not train, only car. If you go by car, from the next day onwards, wake up at 6 o'clock, go for jogging and then go cycling to office. So step out of your comfort zone. It's good. Bye.